So this is another song I wrote after listening to a podcast from a lady called Andrew. Anne is a sort of science communicator. She had a TV show in America, and but before that she was part of the team that put together an object which bolted to the edges of the Voyager 1 and 2 space probes. The team headed up by Carl Sagan. And a lot of this song is in her own words made to rhyme, but this is a song about how they put that together. It's called Sounds of Earth. So thank you very much for listening, and I will see you somewhere at some point. Gary Flandreau saw it first in 1964, hidden on a printout that he hadn't seen before. At the lab in Pasadena, they fed the numbers in of 100 possibilities. This could be the one, 'cause there was gonna be a moment when the planets were aligned, a moment in their orbits when they all came to one side. To travel like a slingshot and use the gravity to steer, another chance won't come again for a full 200 years. The car knew exactly how a tale should be told, how an idea could be broken, how a story could be sold. And he said that send a message to whoever finds it first, to tell them that we come in peace, and send the sounds of earth. So we made a list of all the sounds to sum up who we are, a mixtape of humanity to travel through the stars. Back at the university, he gathered up his team. There was Lynn, my friend, and Timothy, and last of all is Anne. Stravinsky, Bach, and Mozart, 50s rock and roll, the crying of a baby and the calling of the whale, dance and rain and laughter and the singing of the birds, diagrams and images, maps of all the earth. They say there is a kind of spirit music in the world, the place for all eternity is round the sun it's hurled. And if we could preserve it on a record made of gold, it could last 1,000,000,000 years. Oh, oh, oh. And she was so diligent, and she was so keen. She searched among the archives just to find the missing piece. Out a print recording of an ancient Chinese lute, and all their hearts were resting on discovering this tune. So one night she called to tell him that she'd found a flowing stream. Called but found he wasn't home, so laid it into his machine. Said I found the missing piece, I think I found our song. Says Carl, it's good to you for this, I've been waiting for so long. I've been waiting for a moment when the planets would align, waiting for a feeling, waiting for a sign. They talked for hours until the sun came glistening over the sea. And as the dawn was breaking, he says, and he married me. connect to the machines, attach the sensors to his skin to record her EEG. As soon as they'd started, she knew what she should do. I found the sound of someone full in love. All the time I thought of you. When the voyagers were ready to be sent to Moray, and the golden records mounted with a needle to make it play. They launched them in September from Cape Canaveral. The furthest man-made objects, they are out there moving still. So in our solar system there's a gold calling card. Inscribed, please don't disturb me, let me travel to the stars. If someday someone finds it, they'll hear the sound of love that could last a billion years. Oh. For the last 20 years.